Hey y'all, this is So Crafty with Connie, and I wanted to make a quick little update to the adding the straps to the Joey pouch video that I did. I was told that the straps need to be at least 6 foot long for the firefighters, first responders to be able to put them over their shoulders or their coats or what have you. So I wanted to show you how to make that easily. I believe in the last video I said to cut them 40 inches long. Some may be able to use that, I'm sure. And so I'm sure you've made some already, but don't get discouraged. I'm sure they could use those also. But I'm going to show you an easy way to cut the 6 foot strap. And most fabric is going to be 44 inches wide. You know, this is folded over. So if you open it, it's going to be 44 inches wide. So what I do when I need to cut something that is longer than the fabric folded, what I do is I just take it and make sure the edges are evened up. And then I will fold it in half like this and make sure it's pretty flat. And then they want it to be 8 inches wide. So I will put this up on my 18-inch mark right here, just so it's easy for you to see. And then I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to come down to the 10-inch mark. So this is going to be 8 inches wide. And so I'm going to cut that off. So I have one piece here. And then I'm going to do the same thing with another piece. Put this on my 18-inch mark of my cutting mat, and then put it on the 10-inch mark of the cutting mat. And then, so this is 8 inches, and so I'm going to cut that off. And so now I have 2 straps. Now they are going to be 88 inches long. And so what I'll do is I'm just going to take these 2 straps and then sew a seam together right here, just straight across right there. So I just sewed a straight seam straight across right there. You can use a 1/2 inch seam allowance, you can use an inch seam allowance. I probably wouldn't do any more than that. And then I would also take it to the ironing board and press this flat open like that. And then, once you get it all sewn together, just measure out 72 inches for 6 feet. So my cutting mat goes to 35 inches. So I'm going to put my finger right here and mark 35. Put it right here. This is another 35 inches. So this is 70. And then I'll take it and put it over here on this side and measure out 2 more inches. So that's 1, 2. So this is my 72 inches. I would go ahead and cut it, probably add you about 2 or 3 more inches just to be on the safe side and to allow seam allowance and that kind of thing. You don't have to do that. I think it'd be all right. But just in case, I'll add a couple more inches. So here's 75 inches right here. I'm just gonna mark it with my finger, fold it over, lay it on a line, and then cut it. And this is my 75-inch strap that I did. And then I'll just go ahead and sew it like that, like was in my other video, like this, to add to the Joey pouch. So I will attach this to the end of the video, how to sew a strap onto a Joey pouch. I'm new to YouTube, so I wasn't sure how to, it didn't give me an option to add the words in there, but I did put it in the description. So my apologies, I hope I didn't cause any trouble. But anyway, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on that. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good one.